Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the DZ09 smartwatch to the Samsung Galaxy S10, and of course it should work the same for the S10 Plus as well. So let's get started, and basically we want to start with our smartwatch here. We'll go into where it says menu, as it is currently on. So we'll go to menu, and then we'll just browse across until we get into the Bluetooth settings here. You'll see Bluetooth right here. We'll go to that. And when you go to that, you'll be taken to this menu here. You'll see power, visibility, and search new device. So we'll first tap on power one time, and basically that switches on the power, powers on the Bluetooth settings for your smartwatch. And then we'll tap on visibility once. You'll notice it goes from off to on in a split second. Just make sure it says on, and then we'll select search new device. Now before we press OK, don't search anything yet, because first we want to go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings of our S10 here, and of course the same for the S10 Plus. So we'll go to settings here, and then we'll go to where it says connections, and under connections we'll go to Bluetooth and power it on from here. Now chances are you'll see the DZ09 show up on your phone as you turn it on, but don't do anything yet because you want to pair it from the smartwatch and not from the phone, okay? This way you know that you're actually pairing your smartwatch, okay? So we're going to go ahead and press OK now to search, and you'll see S10. If yours is S10 Plus, then that's fine. You can tap on a word or select pair. It'll say start searching, and there's going to be like a pairing passcode request. It's going to show up on your phone and on your smartwatch. Just select yes and OK on both of them. So yes, OK. It'll say connecting. This part here, if you wanted to allow your contacts to show up in your smartwatch, go ahead and allow, but for me I'm going to select deny because of video purposes. We'll select deny, but for you, yes. And it'll tell you it's connected. You'll see it's connected on your smartphone over here, your S10 here, and you'll see that there's this little icon next to the word Galaxy S10, meaning that's the current device that's connected to your phone. Other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Too much light in here.